these auto repair shops aren't premium, they're just expensive. Here's what I mean. There are a lot of shops right now that preach and talk about how they are a premium product. But when you dig in, they're using the cheapest things they can get with higher margins on them. They're using cheap techs that haven't been trained, that aren't as good as they should be, taking care of complex problems. They're not taking care of their people, so they're not providing benefits, they're not providing training, they're not providing tooling. They're just stuffing it with a big old margin on it, and they're saying that they offer a premium product, but that's not what it is. A premium auto repair shop is going to have really well-trained technicians that genuinely know what they're doing. They're gonna be experienced technicians. Now, true, they're gonna have some younger guys that may not be as experienced, and they're gonna be raising them up. They're gonna be getting them into these training courses, helping them develop, training up the next generation. They're not gonna use the cheapest parts they can find. They're gonna be using dealer parts, OE parts, or better. Sometimes they will be using aftermarket parts, but that'll be more of a convenience and time frame thing. And they're gonna offer a killer warranty. Now, some of these shops that claim to be premium, they're gonna tell you they offer a killer warranty, and maybe they do. But what you're gonna find when it comes down to it is they don't actually warranty anything. They do something very different. They blame you, or they say that it wasn't the same thing, or they say that it was another problem with a different system on the car. And when you dig in, you find out that's actually what it was. So you see, consumers are right to be jaded because there's a lot of blending of the narrative here when it comes to premium, because somebody can say they're premium and not be premium. It's all about the experience and the quality of the product you actually get. That's just how I feel about it. I'd love to hear your opinion down in the comments below. If you'll drop down in there and let me know what you think. David and I talk about this on the podcast all of the time because it's so common. We're seeing shops do this where they're being taught by coaching companies. It's all talk. It's all noise. They're not running their shops like good people would run their shops. They're just talking about running their shops in a positive way while they load their pockets. So, just my opinion. Drop in the comments. Let me know what you think below. See y'all.